Hi all. In the current situation of COVID-19, it is difficult for all of us to know the availability of essential items like groceries in the nearby shops. The only way to find the availability of those items in the nearby shop is to personally go and check in those shops. And if we don't find those items in that shop, then we are forced to switch shop to shop to get those essentials. And as we know, it is not safe to roam all over the streets in search of essential at this time. So to overcome this issue, we have decided to come up with an application which allows shopkeepers to register themselves and create their own category hierarchy to publish products and update livestock stock status so that the end customer can find shops based on zip code and product name to get the availability status. Additionally, there's a provision for the customer to browse through the shop and add items to cart and place the order. Once the orders are placed, shopkeeper will get SMS and email notification so that the customer can reserve and pack the order and keep it ready for picking. Customer can directly come and pick his order after making payment. So I'll walk you through our application. A vendor can come and register from the screen. So once he signs up, so we have given an admin screen where an admin can log in and check all the vendors which are registered, and vendor can update his details from the screen, and then vendor can actually add all the categories, subcategory, and product name and stock status from the screen. So we have given this is a customer screen. So customer can enter his zip code, the product name, what he's looking for, and then he can search. So we'll list all the milk products which are available in the registered shops. So customer can decide himself to like browse through the shop. So he lands on this page where the categories what are created by the vendors are listed, and he can browse through different categories and check for the available items. And so here we will get the availability status like available or out of stock. So customer can add to cart, and the customer can update the cart as required, and then customer can provide his details like phone number, email address, and then submit order. So once the order is submitted, so he will get an message like he should be collecting that within 1 hour. So until 1 hour, so it will be blocked. So customer will receive an email confirmation on the same. So this is a customer copy of email. So he'll be receiving this confirmation mail, and so this is a confirmation mail which will be received by the vendor, the shopkeeper. So based on this mail, actually vendor can uh, pack order for the customer. And also parallelly along with the mail, so the customer will receive a copy of SMS for confirming his order, and also the vendor will receive an SMS regarding the order. So apart from this, so we have provided an assistant, which is a Watson assistant. So here, so this is a very interactive assistant chatbot. So here it will prompt the user to add the zip code, enter the zip code. So here customer can give his zip code like I'm located at 60103. So all the vendors who are registered at 5600103 zip code will be listed, and this response what we are getting is directly coming from our APIs, from our application. So it's listing all the vendors who are registered for this zip code, and then it's prompting the user to add any other product name or different zip code. So you can say that, so suppose in this zip code, if the customer is looking for milk, for example, so in that case, so it will list all the shops where different milks are available. So it's showing like Nandini milk, heritage milk. So it will give the details on the milk available for the given zip code. So if the customer tries to add like further, if he tries to find for a different zip code which is not registered on our site, even this response is coming from our API that there is no registered zip code, no vendors who are registered for this zip code. So then if the customer is done with his chat, then he can say bye, thanks. So accordingly, we will get the response from the chat. So this application, actually, we can extend this application for not just for the grocery, but we can extend this further to any kind of retailer. Like we can extend this to medical shops, or we can extend this to any electronic shops, or we can extend this to like furniture retailer. So this can be extended to any kind of retailers. Yeah, so that's it. Thanks for watching.